Hi everyone, thanks for watching. In this episode, I'm going to Okunoshima Island, Japan, or as tourists know it, Rabbit Island. It's a national park and it used to be a center for manufacturing poison gas during World War II, and there's lots of fortifications and bunkers. Much like kawaii culture in Japan, the military and troops have gone and they've been replaced by an army of cute, cute bunnies. I mean, they have run riot across the island and multiplied and now have taken over the island. It is kind of amazing. So to get to the island, you have to take this ferry, and I was expecting a cute little bunny-themed ferry, but no, this is like an industrial ferry for cars, like semi-trucks, everything. It's a tiny island in the Seto Inland Sea close to Hiroshima in western Honshu. When you get off the ferry, you're greeted by the locals. Mwah! Okay, this is enough to fall in love with this island. I don't know how you could not like this. But if you're a jaded person, the island itself is also stunning. It has beautiful beaches, nice walking trails, and interesting history. The nice thing is it's a national park, so there's relatively little human development. You can go on this nice walking trail. Of course, there's bunnies along the way, and you can look out at all the viewpoints across the sea to the neighboring islands. The next islands over seem pretty cool because they're all connected by suspension bridges to each other and connected to Shikoku and Honshu islands. Popular activity is to start in Onomichi City in Honshu and island hop to these various islands either by ferry or by bike. Hey guys, did you hear? There's free carrots over on the table over there. Carrots? Did someone say carrots? No, false alarm. Oh, humans. What is their problem? Let's go back to bathing. Yeah, let's go. So you could probably do the hike in like an hour and a half, but it took me like 4 hours because of all these damn rabbits. They're just too cute. I couldn't pass them by without petting them or having them climb all over me. Just too good. And here's the view from the summit. Quite spectacular, I would say. unfortunately, not everything can just be fluffy, cute little bunnies. During World War II, the military used this as a manufacturing center for poison gas. Here's the factory. And also, it was kind of a fortress, so they have a lot of gun turrets you can still go and see. It's pretty spooky and eerie walking around these deserted factories, actually. All right, and that's the end of the island tour. So we're back to taking the ferry to Tadanomi Station. This place reminds me of California with the hills in the background, the coast, the highway, the palm trees, the whole thing. Except that I'm taking public transport. And they make an announcement on the train, something that you don't want to hear when you're in Japan.
We will soon be making a brief stop at Tsunami. Thank you.
Oh, now I feel safe. Wish me luck. Thanks for watching.